Now here, a question is, prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Means, I have to draw first of all a quadrilateral which touches all sides of a quadrilateral. I have to draw a circle inside. So, let me draw here first of all one quadrilateral. Let me give name ABCD. Now circumscribing this quadrilateral, here I am drawing a circle which touches at a point P, Q, R and S. So here I am writing ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now here one more thing, A, B, C and D are exterior points of a circle and AB, BC, CD and AD will be tangents of a circle which touches at a point P, Q, R and S respectively. So here I can write AB, BC, CD and AD are tangents of a circles from tangents of a circle which touch it at points P, Q, R and S respectively. Now here, what I have to prove? Circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of this circle. Supplementary angles. So here, if I will join it, so here I have to prove angle AOB plus angle COD which is equals to 180 degree and angle BOC plus angle AOD is equals to 180 degree. Why? Opposite side it is specified, so I cannot take this adjacent angles. Here opposite side subtend means angle subtended by this arm CD, so that will be COD, and of AB, so that will be AOB. So here I have to prove this both angle is of 180 and this both will also be 180. So here I am writing to prove angle AOB plus angle COD which is equals to 180 degree and also angle BOC plus angle AOD is also 180 degree. Now proof. If I will join this center and point of contact, then will be a radius. Now observe. Here I am giving angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In place of giving this label 1 to 8, you may write down all angles also separately. But if you write down this 1, 2, 3, 4 in that manner, will be written easy. Now, what I should do? If A will be my exterior angle, observe here. So, this both will be by two manner you can write down. Equal tangents subtend equal angle at the center. This theorem you have studied. You have not proved it, but this statement you have studied. So here I can write equal tangents subtend equal angles at the center. So I can write angle 1 equals to angle 8. One more thing. Here angle 2 equals to angle 3. Angle 4 equals to angle 5 and angle 6 equals to angle 7. If this statement is not remembered to you, so that time what you can do, you may take these two triangles, you may observe tangents are equal, These both are radius will be equal. This arm common. So I can prove both are congruent. By CPCT I can write down 1 equals to 8 and further similarly you may write down. Now here it is up to you, the way you are thinking, that way you can write down its solution. Now after that what we can do, as we are knowing that angle sum, interior angle, one complete angle of a circle is of 360 degree. So here I can write angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus 7 plus 8 is of 360 degree. Now from this equation number 1, what I can write here, I have to prove AOB plus COD is 180. AOB means 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 I want. So in place of, so here I want to remove these angles. So in place of angle 3 I can write down angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 2. In place of angle 4 I can write down angle 5 plus angle 6 I will write down as it is. This 5 also were there. In place of angle 7 I can write down 6. And in place of angle 8 I can write down angle 1, that is of 360 degree. So now you may observe both are repeating, these two. These both are repeating. 5 is repeating. In place of 7 I have to write down here angle 6. So this 6 is also repeating. So I can write 2 times angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, which is equals to 360 degree. So 2 180s are, you can cancel it by 180 degree. Now angle 1 plus 2 is your angle AOB. Here I can write angle AOB plus, in place of angle 5 plus 6 I can write down angle COD, which is equals to 180 degree. Similarly, in place of taking 1 5 and 5 6, you can place this value by using these equations. You can prove that angle 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8, which is equals to 180 degree. So you will get these two opposite pair. So similarly I can write down angle BOC plus angle AOD is equals to 180 degree. Hence proved. Hope this question understood to you.